Lights slow, everybody moving too fast. Doors closed, signs say no. Busy chasing moments that won't last. Joseph knocking stress on his face. Mary smiling like we're good right here. No palace, no fancy place, but heaven was already near. They said come back later, not right now, maybe next year. But God don't wait for perfect, He shows up when it's unclear. No room, but He still came. No hype, but He changed the game. No crown, no stage, no fame, just love with a powerful name. No room, but He still came. Quiet night, history changed. If heaven could fit in a stable, then grace can find me, yeah. Hey, 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 yeah. No live stream, no post, no comment saying first. Shepherds got the invite, yeah. That guest list was reversed. Not kings, not the elite, just tired folks on night shift. God said, you're who I need. Hope wrapped up as a gift. Didn't come for the perfect, didn't wait till life was clean. Came straight for the broken, yeah, that's the Christmas theme. No room, but He still came. No hype, but He changed the game. No crown, no stage, no fame, just love with a powerful name. No room, but He still came. Quiet night, history changed. If heaven could fit in a stable, then grace can find me again. So maybe the question ain't, what did I get this year? But what did I make space for when He was already here? No room, but He still came. Still knocking, still the same. If He showed up back then, He'll show up today again. No room, but He still came. That